C3D Labs offers the world's only complete geometric kernel API. In addition to the 3D and 2D modeler, there is the parametric solver, the visualization add-on, and data conversion. Renga Architecture is one of the newest architectural design programs in the world. It starts designs right in 3D, and being 3D, it needs a robust 3D modeler. Being new, it could adopt the latest technology to make a better product. For the core of Renga, its programmers chose C3D kernel from C3D Labs. Renga Architecture is a 3D parametric modeler, and this is perhaps best seen through stairways. I've hidden a few building elements so that we can concentrate on this particular stair step right here. When you select it, a panel appears showing all of its parameters. Let's change some of these parameters to see how the parametrics works. So for example, here's the width of the stair. I'm going to change it from 1000 millimeters to 2000 millimeters, and you can see it immediately gets wider. Let me change the width now to 500 millimeters. Here we can change the number of steps. It's currently 4. I'll change it to 2 and back to 4. Here's the style of step. This one's called contour, but we can have a thick one or an open staircase with individual treads. Finally, this parameter specifies which level it's on. Right now it's on level 2. Let's move it to level 1 and back to 2 again. That was the sort of straightforward parametric stairs you would expect in architectural software, but here's some of the complex designs capable with the C3D modeler. When you license the modeler from C3D, you get access to solid and surface modeling, sheet metal, and direct modeling and editing. Surfaces and curves provided by C3D include booleans and fillet chamfers bends, louvers, ribs, stamping, sections, cut, symmetry, and shells. The C3D modeler calculates surface areas, volumes, and properties, and casts planar projections, detects collisions, and generates surface triangulations. When you put together the 3D geometric modeler with the parametric solver, you can create parametric freeform columns and beams in Renga, such as the curved one shown here in orange. And then to take it a step higher, you can use the parametrics to create ornate columns such as the ones shown by these drawings. The cornice work shown on the left is defined parametrically by the drawing on the right. C3D Solver provides you with a host of constraints for your software, including these ones for 2D, 3D, including complex ones like rack and gear mechanisms and cam mechanisms, then a group of constraints that work with 2D and 3D objects. Even though Renga is architectural software, it still needs to bring in mechanical components for designing buildings that, for example, house factories. And so with the help of C3D Converter, it imports mechanical formats. When it comes to importing and exporting 3D model format, C3D Converter handles ASYS, IGES, JT, Parasolid, STEP, STL, and VMRL. A particular interest is that it handles STEP with PMI, that's product manufacturing information, as well as advanced features of JT, such as boundary and facet representations, PMI, and levels of detail.